Hi guys, this is a bit of a weird unboxing, especially because this is like so crushed, this box. A little bit different from my usual stuff. I'm also trying to work with this like setup right now. I have this interesting stand. So, all right, this is a Baby 3. If you don't know anything about Baby 3, it's a blind box. It's a bunch of different plush vinyl characters, and the faces are interchangeable. And what I mean by that is that there are like many different types of faces and different types of plush and different types of makeup, eyes, and etc. And everything is random. So really excited to open this up. Let's take a quick look. So I already scanned the QR code. It's a real Baby 3. So it won't focus my camera because it's on 0.7, so annoying. But here it says Yi Wu First Rigorous from Cure Planeta. Just the official seller for these, but my box is so squished. It's like I bought two things and they're super squished. There are several different ones here, so I don't know. Obviously would like the secret. That's super cute. I like the flowers. Any of the flowers are cute. I don't know. The cactus is all right. I like this guy over here, the little pom-poms. And I like this one. And I kind of like all of them. Okay, what don't I want? I would prefer this one over this, so I don't want that. And I also probably don't want the cactus and also this guy. I'm not a big fan of this guy. And now that I look at it, maybe not these two. We'll see. We'll see what I get. Okay. They're always so unsatisfying, the Baby 3 ones. From what I've seen online, everyone has problems opening them up. Okay. So excited. Who is he? Okay. I can feel it. I think I know who it is. Open this up. And we'll flip it around so I can. I hope it's the one that has a. Oh, it's this one. Okay. I mean, he's still very cute. That's okay. All right. Let me see, Baby 3, and then the logo as well as the tags. All right. So I can already kind of feel the eyes, but we'll see. Dun, 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 dun. Oh, it has the mouth that I like, which is the pacifier face. I really like the pacifier face. I don't like. This is what I mean. Like, look, he's so cute. Oh my god, I love this. You know what? Actually, it is cute once I see it. It's like a little tulip holding baby. Ah, so cute. How should I change the eyes? Like this the hoy? I think that's cute. All right. Thanks for watching.